In this video, we will learn how to install the current MySQL version on Windows 11. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type MySQL and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, mysql.com. Click on it. After clicking here, go to the downloads menu. Go below and here MySQL Community Edition is visible. Click on it. Under MySQL Community Downloads, click MySQL Installer for Windows. Now the current version is visible, that is 8.0.46, and it automatically selected Microsoft Windows. Here two versions are visible, both works for 64-bit Windows operating system. I'll go for the second one, that is the following. Therefore click on the download button. Here click no thanks, just start my download. MySQL download started, let's wait. We have downloaded the installer file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Here is the MySQL installer. You need to select the setup type. I'll go for custom. Click next. Here different products are visible. I'll click on MySQL servers. Then the MySQL server 8.0, and then the following for 64-bit Windows operating system. Click here to drag. Now we have added this to the products to be installed list. We will do the same for applications, that is the Workbench. Workbench is a UI to work with MySQL. I'll do the same. Do the same for shell and just drag it. So now we will install all three: server, Workbench and shell. Click next. Ready to install, click execute. Now these will get installed one by one. Let's wait. We have installed MySQL. Click next. Product configuration, click next. For type and networking, the port number is 3306. Keep it as it is and click next. Authentication method, it is recommended to use a strong password, so keep the default and click next. Here set the root password. So what is the root? It is the admin. Set your own password here. After that, click next. Under Windows service, keep the default and click next. Server file permissions, this is the location where your databases will get saved. Yes, grant full access. Keep it as it is and click next. Under apply configuration, click execute. The configuration is successful. Click finish. Click next. The installation is complete. After clicking finish, it will open Workbench as well as shell. Click finish. The shell opened and the Workbench also. Now let us set the path. For that, go to the location where we installed MySQL. It was in C drive. Program files. Go below. Here it is MySQL, server, bin, and copy this path. After copying, go to start, type environment variables. Click on edit the system environment variables, that is the following. Click open. Now under advanced, click environment variables. Under system variables, go to path and double click. Click new and paste the same path. Click OK, OK and the last OK. We have installed MySQL. Let us verify. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Here type MySQL hyphen version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed the current version. Now let us start the server. Type MySQL hyphen u. Use for user. Our default user was root. Then type hyphen p. When you will press enter, it will ask for the password because we have typed p here. Enter the same password which we said before. Now press enter. And now we have started MySQL. Okay. Now let us create a new database. First we will check all the databases. For that, type show databases and press enter. These are the default 4 databases. Let us create a new database. I'll write create database Amit. I'll write the create database command, then the database name. So here I have added Amit. Okay, you can add any name. Press enter. If this is visible, that means we successfully created a new database. Now I'll type the same command and now 5 databases will be visible here. Here it is, 5 databases are visible. So for a free MySQL tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. I hope you remember we also opened MySQL Workbench. So let us start this. Click here and enter the same password. Save the password in Vault and click OK. Now we are inside our Workbench. Workbench is a UI to work with the MySQL. For a free MySQL Workbench tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video.